Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to move a Steam game from one drive to another. For example, I'll move a game from disk C to disk E. Let's get started. First, open Steam and log in to your account. Click on Steam in the top left corner, then go to Settings. Now click Storage from the sidebar. You'll see a list of your current game library folders. Click Add Drive, then choose the disk you want to move the game to, and click Add. Once added, you'll see all your installed games listed under their current drive. Click on the game you want to move, then click Move, and select the new drive. Steam will transfer the game for there. No need to reinstall. The move happens directly and automatically. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.